Hello, Nomad Sculpt and a tip for the transform tool in combination with the clone function. Okay, I switch first to the internet. In the community, Stefan posted something. Not sure if you know it, but you can hold the icon for the same behavior. Okay, which icon can I hold? So this is a demonstration setting. Here a transform tool on the right side is activated, and here you can activate, rotate, move, and so on. And when I select the star, I can turn on the clone function, and I can turn on the snapping tool. And now when I pick the star and bring it on the sphere, it snaps on the sphere, and fine. But when I leave my pencil, the clone function is off. I had to turn it manually again on, and now I can do it one time after the other. I go a few steps back, I select the star, and now I make a screenshot, and you can here press and hold with your finger. Okay, press and hold, and now it works. You can do it multiple times as you be happy with it. I'm happy. I didn't know it. This is a really handy function to do some things very fast. Yes. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.